Hi Fofi, how are you?
Hi Mankaba, I'm good.
Long time no see. मेरे को बहुत अजीब लग रहा है ऐसा इमोजी से बात करने के लिए तो
हमेशा इमोजी ही था मैं, ऐसे
हैं?
क्यों झूठ बोल रहे हैं?
अरे क्या व्हाट डू यू मीन झूठ बोल रहा है?
लोग बोलता है मैं AI हूँ, तो ये देखो AI है.
Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to the brand new vlog. I hope you all are doing well. Like Fofi is also doing well, है ना?
Yes.
And do you want to say anything to my subscribers? Our subscribers now तो.
Hi Manks, subscribers. मेरा subscriber कैसे?
क्योंकि हम दोनों
मेरा subscribers कैसे I mean?
तो हम दोनों
Excuse my voice में. Oh sorry. Excuse मेरा थोड़ा गला खराब है. So yeah.
कोई बात नहीं. But anyway,
Happy New Year.
मैंने तो सबको लाइव में भी विश कर दिया, but now I think आप अच्छे से विश कर दो.
Happy New Year to Mayank and his subscribers. May God bless you.
Alright,
May
Fofi.
God bless everyone.
Alright then, this is the first time for me. मतलब इस तरह से व्लॉग करना तो थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है.
मेरे लिए तो 10 बार हो चुका है, 20,000 बार हो चुका है, तो मेरे लिए अजीब ही नहीं. नहीं, वही तो बोले ना. You say this is my first time, so मेरा भी है ना, likewise मेरा भी first time है.
चलो भाई. Anyway, I just wanted to ask you, do you miss me? अब तो मैं यहाँ पे हूँ दिल्ली में.
मिस क्या होता है?
मिस क्या होता है? मिस फोफी होता है.
Yes, I do.
What?
All the time.
All the time झूठ बोलती है.
Yes.
मीसा
No,
कोरिया
of
से.
course not.
मीसा कोरिया से.
Unless I'm occupied. जब free है उस टाइम में मिस होता है. जब occupied होता है तो you know you're too involved in the work to even think of my existence.
ठीक है, ओके. ये तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. मेरा तो ने तारीफ किया कि बेइज्जती किया.
Oh shit. मेरा face आ गया. My filter came off, so you know, my ink is like, it will be difficult for me to edit. But you're cropping you're editing out the part where my face is visible.
Of course. But yeah, Fofi. So I'm missing Nagaland, Dimapur, the entire trip. Everybody. I'm missing everybody. So I thought ki I'll also, let my subscribers know through you ki how much I loved Nagaland and how much I miss Nagaland.
You don't love Nagaland. You're obsessed with Nagaland.
ऐसा नहीं है यार. मतलब it's new ना.
Yes, you are.
मेरे लिए तो बहुत new है ना. मतलब अभी it was my second time, so it's still मतलब मेरे को ना ऐसा हो रहा है अभी भी. It's this lot of places to see actually.
Yeah.
It's not like जैसे you're from Nagaland तो आप तो बोलते हैं ना कि it's fine. Just like me, I'm from हिमाचल, but मैं हिमाचल को ऐसे बोलता हूँ ना, नहीं ठीक है, ऐसे okay लगता है. So I think for me it's something very new. Are you gonna feel the same way when you come to Himachal in future? Na?
Of course. And I'm not someone who travels. I've never seen places besides Delhi, Nagaland, and Guwahati, and Agra. Yeah. So you know, इतना पास होने के बाद भी I've never visited places also. So Dharamsala will be my first time.
You know,
I mean going beyond.
I'm saying since we are young now, we have to travel as much as we can, because once we are old, then we will regret not traveling. Okay, we have the energy right now. As soon as we have, तो करना चाहिए. Lazy नहीं. This year तो हम दोनों will plan. ठीक है. Of course.
बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ होने वाला है.
प्लान तो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. अब मैं आ गया हूँ ना आपका लाइफ में.
Yes.
मेरे साथ तो आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा. तो मैं अकेले भी तो नहीं जाऊंगा. I'll force you to tag along. Okay, Fofi. So since it's a vlog, मैं तो भूल ही गया था कि हम लोग vlog कर रहे हैं. मैं तो normally तुमसे बात करने लग गया. But since it's a vlog, so just sake of our subscribers and of course everybody who's watching, not just subscribers, I just want to ask you, few questions. Is it?
Yeah. Before you start, I just want to clarify this. This mask was created by my friend during COVID. Abhi, उस चक्कर में I'm not able to remove this mask from the bit Memoji.
ये Memoji से हाँ मास्क निकलने से अच्छा होता. Yeah, Fofi. So I wanted to ask you, when did you start feeling something more than friendship? मेरे को भी नहीं पता है तो आप बताओ.
Me, when did I feel? You tell me first.
Yeah, what?
Because you confessed.
I'm asking.
You confessed your love for me like
No,
1
I'm
million
asking
times.
तो, no. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तो आप मेरे को आंसर करोगे, ऐसे होगा? नहीं तो ऐसे कैसे? ये तो चीटिंग है.
रुको. I know you liked me पहले, but after we आज बात किया कल I love you बोलना शुरू हो गया ना आपने.
ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ. मैं I don't remember.
I'm just kidding. No. So I think I had developed feelings for you, which I did not realize until one day you were coming from somewhere. I don't know, like kuch office work tha. So you told me like we were talking about something, and you told me, why can't I see how much you love me? You say that. Then I realized, not because you said that, but I realized, I felt that. I don't know if it's pain is the right word, but जो pain जैसा hit हुआ मेरा दिल में ना. I'm like, you said that, and I felt it as if like I was feeling the same. So I don't know if I had fallen in love with you, but yes, I was feeling something, which I realized when you said that.
Okay.
वाह क्या लाइन मार दिया मैंने.
वाह मजा आ गया यार. इसी बात में Memoji को.
How about you?
Me? अरे यार I'm a guy, okay? तो मैं तो देखते साथ ही पसंद आ गया था.
No. You meant feelings or love or what?
मैं तो बात ही तुमको उसमें किया था. पहले feelings आया, उसके बाद बात.
I don't know.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but of course I was attracted to you, and then but see, I'm a guy, okay? मेरा बहुत different. It's going to be different than you. So when I was talking to you, so
I don't think so.
नहीं, when I was talking to you, I loved talking to you. But in that moment, I was slowly building this likeness towards you. All right. So ऐसा मेरे पास ऐसा moment नहीं है कि हाँ this moment I fell in love with you. I was falling in love with you like step by step. Each phone call, text messages ना तो build up होता गया. So एक दिन बाद फिर propose ही हो गया. So yeah. और मैं ऐसे बदमाश हूँ ना, मैं तो बताता तुमको.
Yeah. Also wait. We're doing this. अभी वीडियो कॉल में जो भी चीजें हो रहा है, it's because of our friends. Like they've been like asking us to let people know in detail how and why and where we fell in love.
Yeah.
इसीलिए. So उसका दोस्त लोग happened to ask her a lot of questions, which they must have commented in the YouTube also. Maybe. That's why हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं.
हाँ अच्छा है, but it's nice also to हम refresh होना अच्छा लगता है मेरे को ना. I like to talk about this, time to time.
Yes.
है ना, अच्छा तो लगता है. And before we proceed, just I just want to tell my subscribers then please be patient and thank you for your love and support. I have reached 40K. That's a lot. That's a huge
congratulations.
Yeah. And also I know everybody is eagerly waiting for Fofi, and but I'm gonna promise you one thing. Fofi will be revealed this year only.
As if like it's See, I'll tell you, I'm not someone who's comfortable in camera. I mean, obviously, my camera, my phone, and my friends' that's a different story. But to come up in the YouTube, that was never in my dream. In a million years, like I never thought I'll be like a YouTuber, or I never thought I'll have a partner. Yes, who's a YouTuber. So, or content creator. Like, that's not me. And I'm comfortable with my own camera and my friends hardly. And also, but not with...
But like, Fofi,
willing to come out in vlogs or this. So it's kind of uncomfortable for me. And since mine started and everybody has gotten curious, which is obvious, so that's making me more nervous.
थोड़ा प्रेशर हो गया ना अभी प्रेशर आ गया
हाँ ज़्यादा pressure हो गया and I don't want to disappoint people by not showing up, but at the same time I don't want to, you know, make myself uncomfortable just to fulfill the rest of the people's wishes, which obviously if I were in your place I would have felt the same way. I would have want to, you know, see the person behind the voice, or how do I put it?
Yeah.
However it is, yeah. I hope I'm able to deliver what I was trying to convey.
But I also totally understand. I can understand your point of view, and I also understand my subscribers' point of view. Okay.
I mean, yeah, I get it. Unka bhi, like I said, had I been in their place, I would be like, malab, why
Curious, na?
be part of the vlog if you don't come in the vlog at all, वैसा ना? Don't come at all if you're not gonna show up, वैसा वाला. I would have demanded the same, I guess. So yeah, or maybe I don't know.
But to the people who are watching this and my subscribers, I'm assuring you, Fofi is now she's comfortable.
Of course, I am comfortable.
She took some time.
Comfortable.
मतलब अभी थोड़ा comfortable हो गया है, तो but also Fofi, you know what?
Excuse me.
You know what?
Yeah.
When I started YouTube, I was not expecting to grow this fast ना. तो that also I think मेरे side से भी ना आपको it put a lot of pressure on you, है ना? Since I was always comfortable in front of the camera, always.
No, but the thing is, yeah, you grew up, your profession was that, and you grew up with cameras, so you may have felt a bit nervous when you started off your YouTube, but you know, you got comfortable easily and very quickly because, like I said, that was your profession. मेरे लिए तो, I mean, coming in the camera, taking selfies is different, but to you know, do the whole thing is.
I mean, I understand because your Instagram also na, it hardly has like what 3-4 pictures. So I just want people to know Fofi doesn't click pictures also. So she's not from this environment, this social media as a real content na. So I want to thank you, Fofi, because of me you are, you know, trying, and I feel like I have made you comfortable.
Yeah, of course.
And I hope my subscribers also make you feel comfortable. I have full faith in them, okay? I
need to be part of the vlog was never the plan, I think. We didn't think you would grow इतना जल्दी. We knew कि आप आगे जाएगा, but इतना जल्दी हो जाएगा पता भी नहीं था. Or like people wanting to see me be, I mean,
लोगों ने ये सोचा था कि मतलब लोगों नहीं, सॉरी, हमने ये सोचा था कि मैं YouTube में घुसूंगा, कभी नहीं सोचा था.
Never. That's what. So likewise, so मेरे भी ऐसा था. And then yeah, obviously इतना ज़माना इतना आगे आ गया है and I'm not able to come in the video ऐसे लोग सोचता होगा, and I get it. वो तो of course ज़माना इतना आगे आ गया and I'm not able to come in a vlog or video, but hey, what to do? I can't help it, and I don't know why, and I have no explanation. ऐसा है. So I feel like the more people want to see me, the more pressured I feel. I guess, but I have no complaints. It's okay, I understand, and I will definitely come in the vlog very, 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 very soon.
Very soon? How soon?
Really soon. And before the vlog, before I come in the vlog, we have so many things to share. Like so much has happened behind the camera, and yes, we have so much to share to our subscribers. बोल देता, okay? If you don't mind. We have so much. Just messing. We have so much to share with our subscribers. तो time आने पे we will talk about it.
ठीक है. Not just talk about it, I'll show you.
Yeah.
But I feel like my subscribers will also understand, and they will keep on supporting like always, like you guys are supporting, okay? But चलो, ये तो छोटा सा होना चाहिए था, but बहुत लंबा खींच दिया हमने. But anyway,
हाँ यार, ज़्यादा बोल दिया क्या हम लोग? Sorry.
ब्लॉग में तो अच्छा है, ज्यादा बोलना ही अच्छा होता है, ठीक है.
But yes, thank you so much for supporting people. Like I always say, we will definitely give it back. Na? So
we have
when the time is right.
We have plans for
yes, we have plans.
yeah.
The part where I say कि we have so much to share with you all, इसमें ही है जो plan में, like we will give it back.
We have plans for
obviously
you.
not.
हमारा तो चलते ही रहेगा, but for you guys, the people who are supporting us, so
yes, everything will happen this year, na?
This year, and you will not have to wait for long. Of course, we'll give back to the subscriber. अच्छा फोफी, चलो ठीक है. Now let's get back to us. All right.
Yeah.
What is that one thing you miss about me?
You. ऐसा कुछ one thing नहीं है.
कितना है तो?
I like to have you around. I'm like, even if I'm busy working, it's nice to see you around मेरा पास में. If you're working side में बैठ के, of course, that's why I always ask you, बोला आ जाओ या you know. So if you're around, like you know, there's always this I feel at peace.
ठीक है. Okay, अरे क्या कर रहा है?
Yeah, but it's true. I mean, anyone would say the same things. Having your partner like beside you while you're working is always, you know, something like your आपका दिमाग में चीजें हो.
What about partner's work then? Partner, if he goes out for work, some different country, और फिर क्या?
तो manage कर लूँगी. Like we are managing right now. It's not like we're always together, but Phoebe, it's nice to have you around. Like एक दिन में एक बार ऐसा hi hello करके ठीक है चले जाओ, you know. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
For me also, I miss our late night drives when we used to eat junk food na together.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I miss that. ना we did that in पटका college का बाहर भी, like सब सब्सक्राइबर लोग के नाक के नीचे निकल के डेट किया हम लोगों ने, किसी को पता ही नहीं चला.
So, oh yeah, I miss that. I miss hanging out with you, like late night drive. Khana jaake khana has actually made me so healthy. But yeah, I mean, I've gotten fat because of that, I think.
Yeah, but ये भी अच्छा है, but I should not be missing all those things वैसे तो, because junk food खा के थोड़ा मोटा हो गया ना.
कुछ बोलना है भाई साहब?
भाई साहब ठीक है. What reminds you of me the most? For me, whenever I see Sinju shop, all right, or some chow, so I instantly.
अच्छा मतलब कि आपको you don't think of me, but you think of me when you see these things, which means
because
I don't think you have
क्या because मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि whenever I see all these things ना, I used to bring for you, okay, Fofi, every time जब भी बाहर होता था. That's why I miss. फिर आई फोफी तो यहाँ नहीं है बोल के फिर थोड़ा मेरे को मन दुखता है ना थोड़ा.
Okay, let me share this to subscribers. This one time he called me around 10:30 and he was like, hey, like I'm just passing through this place and यहाँ पे laughing है जो आप खाता है तो I'll get it for you, okay, ऐसा. Just such like उसको खुद को maybe he missed me तो उसको satisfy करने के लिए he knows I'm not there, but उसका क्या बोलो वो मैं यहाँ पे ऐसा feel करवाने खुद को feel करवाने के लिए maybe he did that. But yes, he called me and he was like, hey, blah, 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 I'm here. So I'll get you this one, okay? So I also said, okay. I don't know if he took home the laughing, but yeah.
That's the reason I don't go to Humayunpur ka that side anymore. And I don't go to Andrea's anymore. All right? तो इसलिए फिर अजीब लगता है फिर. तो इससे अच्छा है ऐसा फील करने से अच्छा है कि वहाँ पे जाओ ही नहीं, है ना. फालतू में सैड क्यों फील हो ना.
It's okay, you can order in.
No, I will not do that. मतलब फिर अजीब लगता है मेरे को. But anyway, you must be thinking कि माइंड तो थोड़ा emotionless है, heartless है ना. But I also feel lot of things, okay? I don't tell you. Yeah.
No, I never felt like that. You're very expressive about how you feel, so you know. It makes me happy.
Which small habit of mine do you miss? Small habit हो गया, बड़ा वाला मत बोलना.
Small habit. Hey, yeah, you small habit. Like when we fight, you get me flowers and the food that I like. I mean, you get me
ये small
flowers.
लगा तुमको? वो मेरे लिए
No,
बहुत
no,
बड़ा
no.
बात है.
Like the way you get me flowers and food to eat.
अच्छा,
That I miss.
मैं
अबे
बोलूं?
लड़ाई करता है तो
मैं बोलूं?
you करके
मैं बोलूं?
WhatsApp में पुक पुक करके फ्लावर्स भेज देता है ना.
हाँ, मैं कहाँ लड़ाई करता हूँ यार. मैं तो ओबीसी बोल करे, लड़ाई ना करे. I miss when you used to put random things in my mouth ना. मतलब जब मैं पता भी नहीं होता करके ऐसे. Remember?
I give you good like example. I'm eating a chocolate and I feel like, oh, this is tasty.
But at least tell me
Mine
क्या
should
है,
also
कुछ
try.
बता सकते हो.
No, like mine should also try. Tell me that one time where you did not like it. मतलब you tasted the food and whatever I give you, you're like नहीं 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 नहीं, and then you eat and then like, oh, okay, it's actually good.
Wild apple pickle तो
Oh yeah.
mindful में मिलता है.
That's not wild apple. I don't know. I don't exactly know what
I
the
think
food is.
gooseberry था. I didn't like it. ऐसे कुछ भी मुंह में डाल दिया ना. But
No, it's not gooseberry.
But anyway, मतलब मेरे को ये सब छोटे-छोटे चीज तो I miss. But कोई बात नहीं यार, लाइफ है. मतलब हम दोनों जल्दी मिलेंगे, बहुत जल्दी. And you also know now Dimapur is not very far. It's just 2.5 hours, 3 hours में आ जाता है, तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि बहुत दूर है. But anyway, चलो, do you want to ask me anything or should I do the honor?
I would love to, but अभी मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा फोन नहीं है.
ठीक है,
आपकी जैसा.
I will do.
अमीर लोग लैपटॉप दो फोन. So yeah, you may proceed.
If we met today, would you still fall for me?
Mentally.
But अभी अच्छा है, मतलब it's
ये क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से निकला है बताओ अभी.
ये तो मैंने बस निकाला है.
क्या बोला था क्वेश्चन? What was the question? अभी रिपीट करो.
If we met today, would you still fall for me?
Of course. Any day.
ऐसा नहीं लगता रे यार अब तो.
Nah, never. No, I gave a pause. That part came in because I was trying to understand the question. Without a doubt.
All right. Okay.
How about you?
Of course, सोफी क्या बात कर रहा है? अभी तो और मन होता मेरा.
अच्छा.
उस टाइम तो you were very quiet ना, शांत. But now you very expressive now. तो I like you being expressive. जो खुल के हंसी मजाक करते हैं ना, मेरे को वो क्वालिटी बहुत पसंद है आप पे.
No, I am very expressive with people. Once I'm comfortable, like you can't stop me from talking.
अच्छा है, ऐसे ही रखो क्योंकि व्लॉग में काम आएगा. आगे चल के ज़्यादा.
Yeah. Yes.
चलो और मैं पूछता हूँ, ठीक है? What keeps you going on in the tough days and the tough times?
Prayers, Jesus, and you, of course.
नहीं, it has to be God, yeah. Because I believe that God has a bigger plan for both of us. And so this distance is nothing. It's just mere क्या होता है, a test.
Oh, you meant you away from me and like how I'm managing with like my life without you. Is that the question?
Yeah. I mean, not मैं involved नहीं हूँ. Could be anything. I would have said. Course, I would have said the same thing, Kofi. I always put God first, na.
Yes.
I think this is just a small test for us, which is हो जाएगा. This too shall pass.
Yeah. Oh, what is the one thing you admire about me?
One thing I admire about you.
Yes, I know you admire me a lot. And I know you cannot, once you start describing and sharing, I know it'll take years for you to complete.
मैं बताता हूँ.
But just tell me one thing.
What do I admire about you the most?
Excuse me.
मतलब तुम्हारे, ठीक है. Apart from your beautiful face,
from
your long hair, do you mean apart from your structure, apart from your personality? सोचना पड़ेगा.
What is that one thing you admire about me?
I admire your very honest heart. and your spiritual side, which I got to know little late. So I admire that a lot because subscribers and people who are watching, this lady right here, she changed my life for good. Yeah. So she made me a मैं पहले से अच्छा ही था, but she made me a better person and very God fearing also, है ना? So it's all because of the lady you see wearing a mask emoji वाली, ठीक है? Yeah.
Is it me?
More reason to love you.
Thanks. I mean, I don't know if it's me, but if you feel,
I mean, I do feel all of this. Anyway, I'm just saying, let's not bore subscribers with our romantic stuff. But anyway, is there any plans for you to come here to Delhi?
yeah, I do, but I don't know when.
अच्छा, but उससे पहले मैं आ जाऊँगा, ठीक है? It's fine ना?
Well, since you're coming to Dimapur, what are your plans?
My plans.
Mm.
मैं क्यों बताऊँ?
Like the last time you went to Jinabotom, Gokchung,
नहीं, this
you
time
know?
no travel.
Do you have any plans to visit Zuku Valley this time?
No plans. This time I just want to spend time with you
Mm?
and no traveling. Is ये time. So and I don't think,
Never say never.
see, I don't think
You had no plans to visit. I mean, like you had a plan to visit Mukokchung and Zinaboto and rest of the places, but you cancelled, and it happened last minute. So never say never.
ठीक है. But उसके अलावा भी ना just want to spend time with you. That is the outmost priority at the moment. I don't think I'll be able to stay in Dimapur for long. जैसे मैं हमेशा रुकता हूँ ना, मतलब at least I stay in Dimapur for a month.
Yeah, last time. This time it was for a month.
Yeah, तो इतना इस बार मेरे को नहीं लगता मैं इतना लंबा रुक पाऊंगा. It will be a very short visit, but I will definitely, I will spend time with you.
Yeah, and I think you should. Last time when you did a meetup here in Dimapur, it was too early because the students had exams.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then the teachers, all of those things. So I think, and the time you did a meetup, like I had a friend who called me saying she was at work, so she wanted to come see you and say hi, but she couldn't go. She's also a subscriber, so So I think you should do a meetup again and थोड़ा late रखो.
Meetup यार बार-बार meetup करूँगा तो अजीब लगेगा ना, I think. But should I do it? It's up to my subscribers, man. If let me know if you think I should do a meetup, मतलब ठीक time में. So yeah, we can do it.
देखते हैं, but the last time also somebody I saw where like this. I don't know if it's the same girl, but she kept commenting saying, "Chumu ki dima mein meet up karo," which couldn't happen obviously because you were busy.
चुमू तो ये साइड हो गया ना आपका सिटी स्क्वायर.
Yeah.
सिटी स्क्वायर ना, that is चुमू. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वहीं रखेगा. वो एरिया बहुत अच्छा है ना? सिटी स्क्वायर ना, ओपन एरिया है ना थोड़ा. There are good cafes also. Juro is also there and Doremi भी अच्छा है वहाँ पे ना. तो you can just do there this time ना. But anyway, yeah. I mean, अभी तो I feel like I want to say a lot of things to you. Let me start by saying I love you first, and I really miss you. And अब ना आँख इतना बड़ा मत करो. Yeah, and I will see you very soon, Fofi, and try not to cry. Okay.
I don't cry.
तो it's just without you in Delhi ना मेरे को थोड़ा वैसा लग रहा है. Lonely type ना. तो
lonely.
और गाओ ना.
You're Mr. Lonely.
हाँ तो थोड़ा वैसा लग रहा है, but it's, I mean, जो भी है, I think जल्दी से निकल जाएगा टाइम भी, and soon we will be together. And yeah, lot of things I want to say to you, but behind the camera I'll say. ठीक है? तो ज़्यादा रोमांटिक हो जाएगा.
छोड़ो मयंक.
You want to say anything before I end this vlog?
Oh, I thought you had other questions. So they were there. You are we not doing Q&A? So I've said it earlier also, and when I say it that I don't want to come in the camera, I don't mean to be mean or rude to anyone. It's just me being shy, or I don't know if I should say shy. Yeah. So whatever this situation and feeling is called, I have no explanation. Just give me some time and I will come in the frame very soon. And thank you all for being so patient with Mayank and I, especially me. Like, I'm not being over smart. And also, yeah. And thank you for supporting Mayank. Like, thank you, all the subscribers, for supporting Mayank. And I'm sure there are also people who are not subscribed to you, but they still support you. So, thank you all. Like we mentioned earlier, we have plans to give it back to all of you.
Yeah.
Like we won't be able to fulfill or reach everybody, but jitna heart we can stretch.
Yeah.
Definitely,
Yeah.
do something.
We have plans.
We have plans this year. Like so much with Mike and I have so many things to share and so many things we have planned out for all of you. So देखते हैं धीरे धीरे execute करना शुरू करेगा.
And you all have to wait for a little longer, because I know you guys will not be disappointed. So we have a lot of plans lined up, and I'm dying to share all of it with everybody who's watching and who has subscribed. And till then, you just have to wait for me, man, a little bit, because ज़्यादा टाइम, मतलब कितना है अभी, जनवरी है ना, बस थोड़ा टाइम और रुक जाओ यार. थोड़ा टाइम रुक जाओ, सब पता चल जाएगा. तो yeah, and I'll just end this vlog right here, right now.
रुको.
अच्छा.
Before you end this vlog, I would just want to ask your subscribers. I hate this sweater that Mayank is wearing. I don't know if it's a high neck or a turtle neck.
This is high neck, but
Oh, hold on. So I hate it, and then I told him, like, I've said so many things about this sweater, and he loves this sweater, I think.
it's cozy, na?
So yeah, you can comment down below if you are with me or with Mayank.
अरे यार, चलो ठीक है. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see. Team Mayank है कि team Fofi है? चलो हो जाए.
Just kidding, yeah. You can wear the sweater. I just don't like it.
हो जाए.
आपका मर्जी, आपका sweater, आपका पैसा. It's just I don't like it.
ठीक है, तो okay.
That was a joke, yeah.
I like it.
Don't come start
Fofi
bashing me.
does not
Comments
like
में.
it. That means we don't like it. चलो फिर ठीक है, फिर end करते हैं ना. And,
Okay.
we'll do a proper Q&A again. ठीक है फोफी, बिकॉज अभी तो हम लोग का प्लान्स और क्या क्या बताने में ही टाइम चला गया. तो सब्सक्राइबर्स, यू विल हैव टू वेट थोड़ा सा, फिर हम लोग फिर आएंगे. एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड व्लॉगिंग लाइक दिस, बाय द वे. दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू व्लॉग एंड ऑल्सो टॉक टू यू, है ना.
Hey, and I'm not fair like this in the Bitmoji, okay? Memoji.
ठीक है, alright then. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for your love and support. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Till then, this is your boy and that is your girl, Fofi.
Mayank Toli
Signing
and Fofi Toli.
Signing out. Alright, see you.
Signing out. Bye.